Mimicry. Mimicry is a kind of adaptation found among animals. The term mimicry was introduced in biology by bats in 1862. It can be defined as the resemblance of one organism to another or to any natural object for the purpose of concealment, protection, or for some other advantage. Let us see what kind of situation is necessary for the occurrence of mimicry among animals. The mimics and models should occur in the same area. Mimics should be lesser in number when compared with the models. The models should be unpalatable or harmful. The imitation should be clear and visible. Based on the role of mimicry in the life of an organism, mimicry can be classified into three types: protective mimicry, warning mimicry, and aggressive mimicry. In protective type of mimicry, an organism tries to resemble a naturally available object. Here in this example, leaf insect Phyllium tries to imitate or resemble the green leaf of a plant in order to escape from the predator. The dead leaf butterfly Calima imitates the dry leaf of a plant in order to escape from the predator. In warning mimicry, an organism which is harmless tries to imitate a harmful organism in order to threaten or warn the predator. Here in this example, PTYAS, a non-poisonous snake, produces hissing sound like the poisonous cobra. Thereby, it tries to threaten the predator. The deep sea organism anglerfish has a luminescent bait to attract and capture the small fishes. This Based on the views of scientists, mimicry can be classified into two types: Batesian mimicry and Mullerian mimicry. As mentioned earlier, there are two types of mimicry: Batesian mimicry and Mullerian mimicry. Batesian mimicry can be defined as a type of mimicry in which an edible harmless species resemble an inedible harmful species. The salient features of Batesian mimicry are: the model must be inedible. Model must have a conspicuous color pattern. Model must be very common. Both model and mimic must be at the same area at the same time. The mimic should have a very close resemblance to the model. One of the best examples for Batesian mimicry is the mimicry which occurs between Lycodon and Kite. Lycodons are non-poisonous snakes. They have crossed bands in the anterior region, that is in their head, but not in the tail. This Lycodon tries to imitate the poisonous snake Kite. So Lycodon is known as a mimic. Another best example for Batesian mimicry is found among butterflies. The edible variety of butterfly called viceroy mimics the inedible variety of butterfly called monarch so that it can escape from the predator. Mullerian mimicry. Mullerian mimicry can be defined as follows: two or more species with an unpleasant or dangerous attitude resemble each other for the purpose of protection. Mullerian mimicry was proposed by Muller. The salient features of Mullerian mimicry are as follows: all species are warningly colored and protected. All the species can be equally common. The resemblance is not exact, but it should remind a dangerous, distasteful variety of animal. Species are rarely polymorphic. Tenochid moth and wasp both are dangerous insects, but they try to resemble each other in order to protect themselves from the predator. Thank you.